Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Vogue of NVK. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a cherry lips. Let's start. In the first, I'm using dark brown lip liner. Just shape your lips and then you can overline as well. I'm filling the corners as well. And now I'm blending with the brush. You can use your finger as well. The smudge. Now you can take any bright pink shade, apply in the center of your lips, and now mix it with the lip liner. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth. I'm using the clear gloss. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. And here the final look. Hope you guys like it. Share your views in comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Vogue of NVK. Thank you for watching.